channel, and I'm sharing with you my search for tiny home communities, and as I find them, I'll post videos like this one. And if you do see ones that I have not added in the state that you know of, please do post them in the comments. We would love to share any tiny home information we can with our fellow tiny home lovers. All right, guys, so this one is Dreamland RV Park, and they do have permanent RV parking. If you have something that of a tiny home that is certified in such a way that they would accept, you can go to their website and always call in ahead of time to, make sure that they're fitting your needs. But they do have a lot of different photos here and so much more. So yeah, give them a check out. I don't know much about them other than I'm searching on the websites. So here we go. We're off to Georgia and finding out places where we can park our tiny homes. Be a place for you. It says enjoy your stay for Pete's sake, which is really cute. The owner's name is Pete. And then it also has contact information and application to fill out for even long-term stay here. And then park policies, where many of your questions may be answered here. So do check out their website for full information if you're interested in checking out their location and seeing Greenpeace RV Park if it happens to be a place that you would love to visit. Here's Sunshine RV Park, and they are located near Savannah, Georgia as well. And you can check them out over here on their website. They're rated a 3.9, and they do have RV sites here with many amenities here. Well, this is just crazy how much comes with it. With their hookup, all rates include water, sewer, cable, television, and electricity. You can see that these are the rates there, but of course, always contact them, subject to change. You never know. And here is more contact information down here, but do visit their website and check them out as well if it seems like something that is fitting to you. And you can see here there are ones that are 4.7, 4.0, 3.8, 4.3. So there's many great ratings on here. So you can check out these as well to see. I just noticed that this one does have the long-term availability here. So that might be something that interests you as well. All right, guys, here's another one, Savannah Oaks RV Resort, and you can see they're located pretty close to the water over here, if this interests you, this part of Georgia. And you can see that they're really close to many different attractions, if this is something that interests you to take time out and do. I do see that they have extended, like monthly, little high expensive here. But if it's something you can afford and choose to do, you can do a request for reservation. And their website looks super helpful here. And then also they have a map with their rules and different things that might answer some of your questions as well. Again, always check before driving somewhere what they require. And it looks like a really nice place to be staying. So totally check them out. Again, they do have that long term, which might be something that you're interested in. Not necessarily always something that we're looking to stay continuously, but maybe something that you're looking to stay extended. So you can check them out as well. And when you go over to the Google here, you'll see that there are many different places that are over 4.0. So definitely you can Google yourself here and just find all these different resorts and take a look and see what they have available for that long-term parking if that's what you are looking for. All right, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this, and let me know in the comments below. Subscribe, like that, pop that bell so you can get notifications when I drop more states. We're going to be going on to more states, finding out places where tiny homes can be parked, and also long-term parking, and maybe if they even are RV resorts. All right, guys, take care and stay safe. Hey guys, thanks for watching Cindy Lou J channel.